Welcome back. Here is an opportunity for Goan students aspiring to become pilots. Menin Aviation and Hospitality is one of the first ground training academy in Goa that would fulfill dreams of many youth.
Menin Aviation and Hospitality, in association with Winnipeg Aviation Limited of Canada, had organized a seminar at Mapusa. Winnipeg Aviation is a renowned flight training school offering flight training. Seminar stressed that increased number of commercial and business airlines need more Indian pilots. Chairman of Menin Aviation and Hospitality, Dinesh Menin, feels that this institute will serve a platform for students aspiring to become pilots.
Eventually, we are going to, Menin Aviation will hold ground training school, the first of its kind in Goa, wherein the basic theory of flying, meteorology, navigation, then instruments of the aircrafts, all these things will be taught here. We have also installed a flight simulator wherein the students, after theory classes, they can actually fly an aircraft, which there is known as a flight room. We have put it there so that they get a feel of the aircrafts to fly.
Menin Aviation has installed a flight simulator where students can fly planes, operate all simulated instruments and learn flying. Our reporter from Mapusa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
Force Motors has now launched its first vehicle for individual use after its range of vehicles in the commercial and agricultural sector. Force One was launched on Sunday. The company has also inaugurated its new showroom at Agasai. Kamath Automobiles are the authorized dealer for the Force Motors in Goa.
The showroom was inaugurated by the Sant Andre MLA Francis Silveira. Force Motors are specialized in manufacturing vehicles for commercial and agricultural use. This is the first time Force has launched one of its vehicles for individual use. The managing director of Force Motors has said that Force One car has a powerful 2.2 FM tech engine which beats faster than any other SUV in its segment.
If I look at specifically from the SUV perspective, which is our Force One SUV, then the market is close to about 1,000 vehicles. Now our vehicle is a 7-seater vehicle. It's a large size SUV. In terms of dimensions, it is probably the biggest SUV you can get from an Indian OEM. So with our price point, we are looking at a market opportunity of 1,000 vehicles, which is the market available to us. And in that, we would be happy to have a share of close to about 20% of that market.
Amitabh Bachchan is the brand ambassador for this newly launched car. The latest technology engine has a top speed of 160 km per hour. Car has Daimler designed gearbox which makes driving a thrilling experience. The SUV is available in 4 metallic clear coats and 1 solid white that are tested and proven to beat the heat, dirt, water and at the same time being scratch resistant. Our reporters Basari Desai and Surendra Madkaikar.
Yash Group had organized a 2-day bikers festival near Bodgeshwar temple at Mapusa. Organizers had sweated it out for 3 months to prepare the ground for this bikers festival. Organizers claim that Goa is hosting such a festival for the first time. Have a look at these outstanding daredevil biking stunts.
Okay, she's holding him really tight. Whoa!
Look at these bravos! Come on, look at her! Look at her, come on! And there's a lot of guts to do that. Yeah, again! Come on, guys! they'll give you autograph. Those riders.
Our reporter from Mapusa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.